Differentiate the following function with respect to x. The function is sine tan inverse e to the power minus x. Given the function, let fx equals to sine tan inverse e to the power minus x. Since it is a composite function, let's suppose gx equals to tan inverse e to the power minus x, as the function reduces to fx equals to sine gx. Applying the chain rule, we get f dash x equals to g dash x into cos gx. Now, take the equation gx equals to tan inverse e to the power minus x. Hence, we get g dash x equals to d by d e to the power minus x of tan inverse e to the power minus x into d by dx of e to the power minus x, which is equals to 1 by 1 plus e to the power minus x square into minus e to the power minus x, which is equals to minus e to the power minus x whole upon 1 plus e to the power minus 2x. Putting these values in equation 1, we get f dash x equals to minus of e to the power minus x whole upon 1 plus e to the power minus 2x whole into cos tan inverse e to the power minus x, which is the final answer. Thank you.